My country people, and welcome back to my channel today. Mercy Eke don't come out come complain about 100 million naira where they for Heritage Bank where we say they won't close, and fans don't come out to come accuse her of not taking care of her extended family despite having 100M for a service account. And also Tolanibaj of the All Stars season don't come out to come make a shocking announcement about her age. So Tolanibaj, since she come out of Big Brother house, the girl really dey concentrated on making money. If we tell ourselves the truth, she not be one to chase clout for internet. All she done dey do since she come out na this her podcast where we say she dey do bad and bougie. For the podcast today, her colleague come dey ask her say, how old are you and all of that. Tolani come dey reveal to say actually say na this year 2024 now she go clock 24 years of age. So the friend, the colleague wey be say and I do the podcast come dey shocked, come dey laugh say babe, why you go dey lie like this, all type of thing. But Tolanibaj come dey insist say she dey 24 years of age, which means when Tolanibaj came for lockdown season, that was 2020, she was actually 20 years old, and this year she will come make 24 years old. We say if una notice am, people in Naija housemaid, they know they won't pass 25. The ones wey be say they manage past 25, they know they won't pass 30. I know to say Tolanibaj dey lie because it's obvious say she's not 24 years old. If she's 24 years old, which means I am Beyonce and Nami marry Jay-Z. So onto Mercy Eke matter. Mercy Eke, she na the first runner up for the All Stars season where we say they just finished 2023 year, and she don't come out to come lament about waiting the sup with Heritage Bank. Heritage Bank na bank where we say MultiChoice actually endorsed for their channel. They now one of their sponsors that time for the Big Brother show, and the bank right now their license have been revoked, which means to say people where we say their money they where use the bank as their savings bank account, their money don dey otilo. They come out come put out this flyer about how the whole thing, how they take liquidate their assets for the bank. Nigeria Deposit Insurance Corporation, now they now come out come put out this press release about wetin go sup with the bank. Mercy Eke come here and she come dey come out, she come make announcement say, see oh, I get 100 million naira for that 100 million naira wey be say she call. The thing actually shock a lot of people because people they see Mercy Eke as small person, but they don't notice say so many people dey where we say 100 million no mean anything to them. When beauty to go that talk and say 100 million na chicken change, people think say they joke. Some of all these girls they not say 100 million as anything. She can't come out and say, I really don't know how to react about this. I have been hoping for the best, thinking there's a way out. Hashtag Heritage Bank. So her fan come reply, come say, Queen Mercy Eke, CBN said they will attend to people with 5M or lower first before they attend to people with multiple millions, but it may take time. So Mercy Eke come reply, come say, that's the problem. How can they pay 5 million from someone's million? The thing where we say they talk, we say what would they hear? We say the bank, the NDIC, they talk say they go give people where we say get higher amount of money 5 million naira as compensation, which means if you have 100 million for there, only 5 million they go give you from inside. So our fans will continue to the question the Mercy to know what you really solve. Another person can say, why did you open an account with them in the first place? Ope, Kuda, Pampe and Co are the same. Mercy can explain, can tell her to say that was the bank that sponsored BBN during my set. For them to pay our money, we were advised to open an account with them. Stupid me went ahead and funded the account. Don't worry, I am full of regrets right now. Which means after Big Brother Naija pay her money into the Heritage Bank, she go use the account as her savings account. When they put in money for there, they save. So under of her fan, because they ask them again, say, what is your account manager saying? This is serious. So Mexico say she actually lured me into fixing my money, knowing fully where there's been issues with the bank. I don't have words for her. I blame myself. Which means you get the way the thing go pain Mercy Eke rich, she feel even sack that her account manager. I think this is unfair. People entire life savings actually there for that bank, and now they come out, they can't tell them stories, say they go give them 5 million naira. It is really unfair. I don't know what this country they turn into. I hope say they go sort the thing out for everybody where we say their money they there, because person not go toil all a life you wanna come at the end of the day, you go come tell a story. If you buy land, they go tell you to say it's not safe. You keep your money for inside house, it's not safe. You keep am for bank, it's not safe. You use and take buy asset, it's still not safe. Now wow. So with everything we say they go on with Mercy Eke, particular blogger where we say they call herself Cutie Joes, come out they accuse Mercy Eke, say Mercy Eke no they take care of her extended family, as in her grandma. She dey claim to say Mercy Eke grandma they actually owe people money for village, whereas Mercy Eke get 100 million wey be say she stash away for her savings account for heritage. So the blogger they indirectly they talk say it's like na karma na affect Mercy Eke, because you they come and they can't claim big girl for Lagos and everywhere, whereas your extended family, you know, they take care of them. The truth be say, Mercy Eke na human being. We all are human being. Anybody where we say we benefactor, they try beneficiary for a family, the person deserves space. You know, expect Mercy Eke to take care of immediate family finish, can't take care of extended family. The load go too much for the girl. So maybe they cut her some slack. Her mama and her papa, they are doing very well. I see her sister the other day for online. They look so fine. That family know they suffer. So make una clap for her, because she usually did a good job with them. So make we see some comment after that blogger come out to come accuse Mercy Eke without any evidence. So the first person here say Mercy is from Ebu in Owerri. Even before BBN, she na very big babe. Make una check the cars wey Mercy Eke dey drive. Look at her clothes. For Mercy Eke to even dey rapport with the likes of Whiskey, Davido, Zlatan, all those big Nigerian musicians, you go know say she's not a riffraff now. And the truth might be that those people not fit just dey follow person wey be say no get any meaningful thing to offer for life. So I believe to say she don't get some level of wealth or luxury before those type of people go fit, she go fit dey rapport herself with those type of big names. Let's come say, but what is 100 million in this present economy? That girl has the money, don't worry. Yes, she does. Another one can say, post video or voice note if you get them. No, they do like toddler. You too like to the art the lulu. Come put laughing emoji. For me, that particular claim they baseless, because Mercy Eke have so many investment. People will be saying no way they saw behind. Actually, no say the girl she they invest her money for meaningful things. Look at her shop now, M&M Luxury. You know they see the amount of clothes every she they sell for the. Not be she they model her clothes by herself. She's not responsible for her extended family, as long as it's not her mother or her papa. She not be Father Christmas. Maybe she go take care of the whole entire family. That would be too much for a young girl like that. She gets her money because that type of money too much for her. Money where person don't work for, they can't tell a story for bank. All these new generation banks, more they careful if they put on an entire savings there, because your eye go clear. Better go carry your savings, put for all those olden days bank, Union Bank and First Bank, all those type of bank. All these new generation banks, they cannot be trusted. Una take care, una bye.